What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on this video we'll be deriving or finding the derivative of the following logarithmic function. Alright guys, so this function here, as you can see, it is also SATs, also the power of -1. There is a lot happening here, and this is the standard log. But before we start, if this is your first time watching the video from this channel, I'd like to let you know guys that I've made videos on other chapters like trigonometry, limits, binomial theorem, expansion, and finding the specific term. And I also made the videos on standard derivative, deriving from the first principle as well. So if you want to see the videos from standard derivative, exponent derivatives, you can watch them at the end of this video. There will be a playlist that is gonna appear there. Just click on it and watch those videos, because I have them from part 1 till part 22. So this video right here watching right here is part 22. Now for those who are returning, welcome back. You can pause this problem and then you can pause this video, and then you start working on this problem. Let's see if you're gonna get the same answer that I got on this video. Now as you can see, this problem here, or this function here, you need to simplify it guys. Remember, before you differentiate, you need to get rid of the SATs. In fact, you need to change them to exponents, because this is root and then we have x to the power of -1. So let's do it guys, let's do it. So we can say y is equaling to, well, we have -5 here, no problem there, and then we have log base 3, and then we can say this is x to the power of -1, and then we know that square root is the power of half. So if you continue, we can write it like this: log, alright, base 3, and we can say x to the power of -1/2. Right, so this is now simplified. We can able to find the equation or the formula to derive this function here. Now when you look at this, this looks like this equation here, because we do have k. Do you guys see? We have k, so we all have log, and then obviously this is going to be ax, and then we have also n there. Now when we derive, or when we find the derivative of this log, our dy over dx, it's gonna give us n multiplied by k over, let me just fix that, over x natural log, then a. Now you can continue if you want to. Remember, n multiplied by k divided by x log, this is the base, this is the standard log, base e, and then a, right? All right, so if you don't understand where this formula is coming from, I've made a video explaining these formulas guys. I'm explaining these formulas. Also I am explaining where to apply them. Do you guys understand? So go and watch these videos on top there if you don't understand. All right, let's continue. Now all you have to do now is just to change this to that, but we need to know what the unknowns are there. So let's start with the n. So our n here is gonna be, remember, n is our exponent on our left hand function there. On our function on our left, it's gonna be -1/2. And then what about k? K is gonna be -5. And then what about our a? Our a is gonna be 3, which is the base when you look at on our left, that side. All right, so with this, I think we can able to change our function and derive it. So let's find our dy over dx here. All right, so let's look at our equation here. On our right, we have n. What is our n in this case? It's going to be -1/2 multiplied by k, which is also -5, right? And then multiply by the derivative of a log, a basic log. We know that it's going to be 1/x natural log. Then what is our base? This is going to be 3. Now if you continue, let's continue here. We can multiply here, so we know that we have 1 multiplied by -1 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1. This is going to be +5. All right, divide by. Now if you say 2 multiplied by x multiplied by natural log 3, this is going to give us 2x natural log 3. Remember guys, this is the answer, but you can continue. Let me just underline with the red line here. Remember, this is the answer, but you can continue if you want to go further. So let me not forget to write dy over dx here. So you can continue here, and you can change this and say 5 is equaling to what is this, 2x log. Now we're going back to the standard log, base e, then 3. Guys, we can continue here, but it's not really that necessary. The final answer is there, guys, right? The final answer is here where I underline. All right guys, I hope you understood this one. It was not really that difficult. Basically it needed you to pay attention a little bit more, as you can see. So in order for you to understand, you can rewatch this over and over again until you understand. If you don't understand, there is a comment section. You can go and comment on that section. But if you manage to understand, you can like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe to the channel for more videos, because I'm gonna do lots and lots of videos when it comes to maths in general. And then also you can share these videos to your friends. Do not forget to share it. And anyway, thank you very much guys for watching. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Cheers.